Welcome to our latest tutorial on how to view active contacts on Messenger. Follow these easy steps to see who is currently active on Facebook or Messenger. First, open the Messenger app on your Android device. Once you've logged in, take a look at the list of names. People who have a green dot next to their names or a recent timestamp are considered active or have been recently active on Facebook or Messenger. If you don't see a green dot next to a person's name, this means that they have chosen to turn off their active status feature in their settings. This allows them to appear offline even when they are using the app. By following these simple steps, you can easily keep track of who is online and available to chat on Messenger. Stay connected and informed with the latest updates from your friends and family on Facebook. That's it for our tutorial on how to view active contacts on Messenger. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to make the most out of your social media experience.